Doing good to others is the business of creation. Creation is about doing good to others. The trouble is, we do not understand that that is the purpose of life. That the best way to create more good in our world is to do good to others. And there's nothing that is going to be so precious than that. Hi, today I want to talk to you about why we must do good. That good should be the goal of our lives. That the moment we slack on that, we are never going to be able to find the satisfaction that we are looking for. The purpose of life is to do good, and we have to make that the purpose for our living. We have to make that the goal of our own lives, that we are here to do good to others. We have no difficulty feeling good and doing good for ourselves. But that is not the purpose of life. The purpose of life is to turn our attention outward to ensure that we do good for others. How do we do good for others consistently? Here's the challenge: there is no lacking in opportunities to do good for others, because every time we look at others and see negative things happening to the world, or negative things happening to some people or all the people in the world, it is an opportunity to do good. How do we do that? That negative voice that we hear and feel in our mind, in our heart, and with all our soul, that's what needs to transmute. And the way to transmute it is to restrict it, because that's the force that blocks the goodness to come to all of us and to come through us for others. So, all we need to do is to restrict the negative voice, the negative thoughts, the negative judgment, because that negative judgment is associated with the world of confusion. To co create a good world, we need a partnership with the Creator who is good, and the silence that we create within by not using the negative voice, consciously calling on the Creator through our prayers to bring goodness to others, is the start of creation of the new world, the world of goodness, the world that will take us to the peace and happiness and success for everyone. Listen, everyone, not just for ourselves, for everyone. And that is what the sages is teaching us. That's what the sages meant when they say, love thy neighbor as thyself. It is the key that opens the door to goodness for everyone.